Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off quick share in your Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to turn on or off quick share, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, go for connected devices and you'll find quick share here. Just tap on it. And if you want to turn on your quick share, just tap on this that who can share with you. Select that option and here if you want to turn on your quick share, just select everyone. Over here you will get only for 10 minutes. If you want to enable your quick share only for 10 minutes, you can easily enable that option. But if you don't want, just unselect that, then tap on done. Once you have that, your quick share will be enabled or you can easily use your quick share. So that's how you can easily turn on or off quick share in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.